Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily change block names. Let's take a look at the block name changing feature in Utility. Execute the command using the pull-down menu. Click on Utility. Then the block menu appears, and click on Block Name Change. Select a block and then press Enter. The Rename Block dialog box appears, and the selected block is displayed in the list. Let's change the block names to Block 1, Block 2. Once the change is complete, click the OK button. Select the block and check the Properties window to see that the block name has been changed. We have used the utility feature of CADian CAD to change the block name. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.